Today we're going to talk about a water filter. So we have a GE refrigerator, and there's our water filter right there. Now I have already replaced this one because I wanted to make sure everything worked like we found out it should. So I did try it out first. So this is the new water filter we have on here. I'm going to take that out. So the manufacturer's water filter had a label on here just like this. And it is this label that you see back here. So what they've done with their water filters, so back behind here, they have a device that reads the little chip that they put in this label. And there's your chip. So if you just went online and bought a new water filter and put it in here and didn't know that, a water filter would not work. Actually, your water, from what we understand, the water wouldn't even flow through, period, because it would stop the process completely. And they're going to tell you you have to buy it from them. So what we did is this label, like I said, was on the old filter. I know a lot of you guys over the years have taken off labels off of stuff. All you got to do is take a hair dryer to it, heat it up real good, and then, like I said, gently pull that label off because you don't want to mess that up at all. And then instead of trying to put it on your new filter, since that's where the reader is right there, all I did is mine still had some sticky left. And if it doesn't, you can put some tape on there, but then I just stuck it right there. That way it's always there. I don't have to worry about it. And yes, we got our new filter on Amazon and bought that. It's still a great filter, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying it from the manufacturer. And there we go. And I'll write the date on there of when we're going to change it. That makes it easier when I look at it. But that's all there is to